Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to draw a really simple cartoon character in a few really easy steps. We're going to draw a straight line from the top to the bottom. Separate it in half. And now in the upper half, draw a circle. That's going to be the head. From here and here, okay, make that equal. Down. Go out a little bit, almost like when drawing the letter A. We can even connect it to make these shapes a little bit easier. Now we're going to come to a half over here. From here, round this out like this. And do the same thing going the other way. These are the arms. Really simple. And let's measure ears, where we're going to put ears. Draw half and half, and then come to a half and half right up here. This is where we're going to put the ears. And right here on this line, not right in the middle, but down here, we're going to put 2 circles. These are the eyes. Add eyebrows. Right here where the eyes end on the bottom, this is where we're going to start another circle, a little one that comes down to this line. That's the mouth area. Add a nose. And add the mouth. You got yourself a really, really cute little bear. If you want to, you can add a belly, toes, and thumbs. Now, if you like, you can grab a pen and simply outline the bear. Don't worry if the lines aren't perfect. This is all a part of the practice. Ta-da! I hope you had fun drawing with me. Have a great day. Bye!